Have you ever wondered how your body responds to stress, depression, or trauma? It's a fascinating process involving an intricate dance of hormones and chemical reactions. In stressful or traumatic situations, your brain releases a hormone known as vasopressin, also referred to as the antidiuretic hormone. Produced in the hypothalamus and released by the pituitary gland, vasopressin's main role is to regulate the body's fluid homeostasis. It does this by controlling the reabsorption of water in the kidneys. When vasopressin binds to specific receptors in the renal tubule cells in the kidneys, it stimulates the reabsorption of water from the glomerular filtrate back into the bloodstream. This action helps concentrate urine and conserve water in the body, but vasopressin's influence doesn't stop there. It also affects blood pressure by causing vasoconstriction, which means it narrows peripheral blood vessels. This action increases vascular resistance and thus raises blood pressure. Vasopressin release is also triggered by elevated blood plasma osmolarity, indicating a high concentration of solutes in the bloodstream, such as dehydration cases. This release helps conserve water and reduce fluid loss through urine. In situations of fluid imbalance in the body, such as decreased blood volume and low blood pressure, vasopressin acts to restore water homeostasis. It's a key hormone in regulating body fluid homeostasis, controlling water reabsorption in the kidneys, and under certain circumstances influencing blood pressure. Its action is essential for maintaining the body's water balance and ensuring enough water is available for the proper functioning of organs and systems. But what happens when your body is under prolonged stress or trauma and releases excessive amounts of cortisol? Cortisol is a steroid hormone produced by the adrenal glands and is released in response to stress. In acute situations, cortisol plays a crucial role in the fight or flight response, mobilizing energy and increasing stress resistance. However, when released excessively over an extended period, cortisol can have detrimental effects. Excessive cortisol can suppress the immune system, making an individual more susceptible to infections and diseases. It can also trigger a chronic inflammatory response in the body associated with numerous health conditions, such as cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. Furthermore, excessive cortisol can increase blood sugar levels, contributing to the development of insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome. To summarize, vasopressin and cortisol play vital roles in our bodies, particularly in response to stress, depression, or trauma. Vasopressin helps maintain the body's water balance and can influence blood pressure. On the other hand, while cortisol is crucial in acute stress situations, its chronic, excessive release can have negative health implications. Understanding these hormones and their functions can provide insight into how our bodies respond to stress and trauma and how we can better manage these situations.